Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Battlefront 2 not launching. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you fix if Battlefront 2 here is not launching or not running here on your PC? Well, there are a number of things that you may want to consider and you need to do here. So first things first is you want to consider the apps that you're currently running on your PC. Now, if you, for example, you're running multiple browsers, multiple apps in your PC, this might actually make your PC a lot slower, which in turns actually prevents Battlefront 2 from launching. Because again, Battlefront 2 uses resources that includes memory, your RAM, or your GPU here. So if you want to close those apps, you just need to press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, or you can go to the search bar here and just type in Task Manager. And what you need to do is you want to close any apps that you're not using. Like for example, if you're not using or you're using multiple browsers, you may want to close one of them. So you want to go and right click on it, click on End Task here. Now you want to do this for any apps that you may not be using. Like for example, if you're running BlueStacks at the background, you may want to end the task for it as well. So do this for any apps that you're not currently using. Now, once you've closed all those apps, you could go ahead and open up Battlefront 2 here and see if that solves the issue. But if that doesn't solve the issue, there's the following thing that you could try doing here. Now, you want to look for the Battlefront 2 launcher here. So, for example, this one, you want to right click on it and you want to go to Properties. Now, under Properties, you want to go to Compatibility. And you want to go and choose the option here that says run this program as administrator and also disables full screen optimization. Once you've done that, click on apply and OK and see if that actually solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFTinspo. Thank you for watching.